The Purdue Federal Credit Union Visa Business Credit Card functions as a specialized member business service designed to provide financial flexibility for a wide range of entities, from solo entrepreneurs to larger corporations. This card stands out in a crowded market because the business entity itself is the primary liable party, though it requires authorized officers to bind the organization to the agreement. One of the most immediate benefits is the $0 annual fee, which eliminates a common overhead cost for small businesses trying to manage tight margins. For those looking to manage initial startup costs or consolidate existing debt, the card often features a 0% introductory annual percentage rate for the first 12 months on purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances. Beyond the introductory period, the card utilizes a fixed rate structure rather than the variable rates tied to the prime rate that are common with national banks. These fixed rates typically range from 15.5% to 17.5% depending on creditworthiness, providing a level of payment predictability that is increasingly rare. There are several financial advantages baked into the structure of this card that address common pain points for business owners. For instance, there are typically no balance transfer fees and no cash advance fees, which are often the hidden nuisance costs that erode the value of other business credit products. Cardholders also get access to the Visa Savings Edge program, which can provide automatic discounts of up to 15% at various participating retailers, hotels, and gas stations. The protection suite included with the card is also quite robust. It features purchase security that covers new retail items against theft or damage for the first 90 days up to $10,000 per claim. Furthermore, it offers extended protection that doubles the manufacturer's warranty for up to 1 additional year on warranties of 3 years or less. For business travelers, the auto rental collision damage waiver and the 24/7 travel and emergency assistance provide a necessary safety net for medical or legal referrals and emergency transportation. However, there are specific requirements and risks that a business owner must weigh carefully. The most significant hurdle is the membership requirement. An applicant must be a member of the Purdue Federal Credit Union, which involves meeting specific eligibility criteria such as being a student, alumni, or employee of Purdue University, or living and working in certain Indiana counties. Additionally, a business savings account with a minimum balance must be open to maintain this membership. A critical legal detail to note is the cross-collateralization clause. This security interest clause means that any shares or deposits held with the credit union, excluding specific accounts like IRAs or MSAs, can serve as collateral for the credit card debt. If a business defaults on its payments, the credit union has the legal right to take funds directly from those business accounts to satisfy the debt. This lack of separation between cash assets and credit debt is a significant factor for those who prefer to keep their deposits and liabilities isolated. There are also some limitations regarding international use and penalties. While the card is cost-efficient domestically, it does carry a foreign transaction fee of up to 1% for transactions made in foreign currencies or processed outside the United States. This might not be the ideal tool for a company that does a high volume of international travel or purchasing. In terms of penalties, while there is no explicit penalty annual percentage rate mentioned for late payments, the credit union does charge a late fee or a return payment fee of up to $25. The card does provide a standard grace period of at least 25 days from the close of each billing cycle to pay the balance in full before interest starts accruing on purchases. This makes it a very safe and predictable option for a business that might need to carry a modest balance from month to month without worrying about fluctuating interest rates. To summarize, the Purdue Federal Credit Union Visa Business Credit Card is a solid, predictable financial tool for local business owners who value a fixed annual percentage rate between 15.5 and 17.5% and want to avoid annual balance transfer and cash advance fees. It offers great perks like the Visa Savings Edge and extended warranties, which help mitigate the daily risks of business operations. However, the risks involve the cross-collateralization clause, which puts business deposits at risk in the event of a default, and the geographical and membership restrictions that limit who can access the card. Business owners should also be mindful of the 1% foreign transaction fee and the $25 late payment fee when planning their monthly expenditures.